Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum Classic. So yeah, we basically see now play out what I warned about in my last two videos. In the first video I made on Ethereum Classic, I was quite specific and said that probably this impulse is now over and we're going to see a larger retracement down. We then, however, consolidated for a very long period here in this triangle. And I told you, should we break out of this triangle, then we probably look at an extension. Yeah, a breakout to the upside. We probably look at an extension of this fifth wave that could be very bullish. Now, as you can see, we didn't break out. So my view is now that the originally anticipated scenario is playing out, which hopefully was helpful for everybody because it indicated that the impulse here was finished. The only way out would have been to break out of this triangle to the upside, make a higher high to continue that fifth wave, but you can see this isn't happening. Yeah, so what we are dealing with is the completion, in my opinion, of this first wave to the upside, the first impulse, and that we are now coming down in a wave 2, and that for me seems to be the first coin that does that. Yeah, that has finished the first impulse and that is now indeed coming down. So we now need to look at what's going on here. It could very well be that we've already seen the wave A and B play out and that we are now in the wave C. Reason for that is that a wave B can be a triangle. Let me just hide the VPVR. Oh no, let's just leave it on. A wave B can be a triangle, okay? And what's currently coming down is quite impulsive, which would indicate that we are in a wave C. So that could then be that wave 2 low. And there are now various possibilities how this could let's just put the target area again on the chart. I believe that is the one that I showed you in the last video already, or the first one actually. And we talked here about a target range between $33 and $25. And we are nearly there. So again, I think that warning was appropriate and hopefully helpful. Now I told you we can move that target area down a little bit, because usually what you see when you this was also quite a long wave 5. Yeah, it was an extended wave 5 already. When you see an extended wave 5, then what often happens is that you come down to the previous wave 4 low in the wave 2. So that is possibly what could happen, coming down to $22, $23. So this is currently where we are. Yeah, we need to expect the retracement to be over already at $33. So keep an eye on the chart. That is not unrealistic. Yeah, especially if we really had here an A, B, and C, because then we can also look at the targets just by looking at the length of the wave C, and the target for that would be the 1.618 extend, or first target would be the 1-to-1 ratio. Now that is here at 33.87, basically where we are now. Now the way we come down here, I don't think this is finished there. The 1.618 extension would be at $29. So let me put that onto the chart as well as a target, $29 within that target range. So we just need to be looking at possible bullish signals that could emerge in here. All right. For now, we are in this downtrend, and you can probably even draw a trend line here. And, you know, if we say, all right, maybe we are even here in some kind of an impulsive channel to the downside now, if we see a breakout of that channel to the upside, that would indicate that we are finished with this correction down. And if we then leave this target area to the upside again, that would be another good indication. But for now, I think we're heading further down as per the warning in the previous video. And also we didn't break out of that triangle to the upside. So this is going to play out now nicely. Yeah, and it seems to be really the first coin that makes its larger wave 2 correction, at least the first coin I'm aware of. There may be others that I haven't covered, but that would certainly be an opportunity to buy in if you want to. Now, I'm not telling you to do it because there is, of course, still risk involved, but this is something that if we see the reversal, so how I would play this personally, if if we get into this area and I can see a first impulsive move on the lower time frame to the upside, that's probably a good time to buy in, because then we've completed the first impulse up, we've completed the first correction down, and if we make a higher low here, then we can be ready for a wave 3, and the wave 3 will get interesting. This is then where it really gets fun. So let's say we come down to the wave 4 low, yeah. Then the next wave to the upside in a wave 3 should take us to $77. So that would be from $25, quite nice. That would be roughly a 3x, bit more. Okay, and that's my view about Ethereum Classic. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.